How are you? Good afternoon. Okay, I am again here to teaching you which subject? Math. Okay, which subject? Math. And what we have done in our last topic? Our last topic that we have done is one less than and one more than. Okay, what we have done? One more than and one less than. I hope all of you have done the homework also. I have given you homework also in that topic. 2 homeworks I have given you. Okay, so have you done? One homework I have given you. This. Have you done this homework? In your notebook, have you written this? Okay, those who have not written, make sure that daily the homework, whatever I give you, you do daily homework. Okay, don't keep your work pending that I will do it afterwards. No, okay, it is wrong. The day when I give you homework, that day only you have to do it. That day only you have to complete it. Okay, okay, now today we start with a new topic. Continue the same chapter, second chapter, but the topic is new. And what is a new topic? Our new topic is ordinal numbers. What is our new topic? All of you bring your notebook, open it, bring your compass box. I hope all of you sit with your book, notebook and compass box. Okay, those who sit without their notebook, compass box and book, so go and bring your notebook, your maths book and your compass box. All of you, I will give you 2 minutes. Okay, first take your book, your notebook and your compass box from your bag and sit properly. Okay, don't sit like this. Okay, sit properly. How you sit in class? In the same way, in the proper way. Okay, if you sitting on a bed, then sit properly. Fold your legs like this and sit. If you sitting on a chair and table, then sit straight. Okay, sit straight, and whatever I told you, whatever I tell you to copy from the board, that thing you copy together with me, along with me. Okay, and write in good writing. Okay, write in good handwriting. And the content that I am writing on the board is given in book also. If you want to copy from the book, you copy from the book also. Okay, but you listen what I say, what I teach. Listen carefully and copy correctly from the board. Okay, now see, open your copies. All of you have opened. This is a new topic, and always new topic we start from a new page. Okay, new page, new topic, and write. Don't forget to write the date. Don't forget to write the date. The day when you are writing in your classwork copy. For example, today. Okay, you are writing today ordinal numbers, and what is the date today? Write that date in your notebook. Okay, and where you write the date? Left hand side of your notebook. Okay, this side you write date also, daily. Okay, okay, what is our next topic? Our new topic is ordinal numbers. This topic is given on page number 27. Okay, on which page? Page number 27. The topic that we are doing today, that topic is given on page number 27. All of you write the topic heading. Write heading. What is the heading? Ordinal. O-R-D-I-N-A-L. Ordinal. Repeat after me the spelling of ordinal. O-R-D-I-N-A-L. Ordinal. Again, O-R-D-I-N-A-L. Ordinal. Numbers. Numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. Ordinal numbers. Write this heading in your copy, in your notebook. On the top of your copy, you write this heading, ordinal numbers. Okay, and write in good handwriting. And the heading should be little bit bigger. Okay, write the heading broad letters. Okay. Now, what is ordinal numbers? Now, what are, first I will ask you, what are numbers? What are numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 and up to so on, these are numbers. But what are ordinal number? Ordinal numbers are a number which show the position or order of a thing. What does this ordinal number shows? This ordinal number shows the position. What this ordinal number shows? Position. Suppose somebody asks you, what was your rank in UKG? What was your rank in UKG? How do you say? You say like this, I stood first in class, I stood second in class, I come first in class. Okay, in this way, so the first, the second, the third, this shows the position. So this is known as ordinal numbers. Okay, or you say like this, I come one in class, I come one in class. This is wrong. सुनने में ही नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. अच्छा लग रहा है? No. So the number which shows the position is known as ordinal number. Suppose you are sitting in a class, okay, so and you are sitting in middle row, and your mother asks, during PTM you come na, so your mother asks, where you sit in the class? What you say? I sit at first bench, I sit at second bench. In this way you tell na, you say I sit at one bench, I sit at two bench. Okay, not in this way. How you say? You say like this, I sit at first bench, I sit at second bench. Mama, they see there, I sit there at third bench. Okay, so the position, this position is known as cardinal numbers. Okay, now first we will write the definition of cardinal numbers. That means what is cardinal number. Just you have written the heading, so leave one box after this heading and start from new box. Okay, after leaving one box, one line, write ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers show. What does ordinal number show? What does ordinal number show? It show the position. So ordinal numbers show the position. Position. Ordinal number show the position or order of things, or order of things. Okay, write this definition. This is the definition of ordinal numbers. Okay, again I am repeating, you just write ordinal numbers. This definition is given in your book also on page number 27. So you copy it from your book also. See the first line, ordinal numbers show the position or order of thing. This much, the first two line you can write it from the book also, or you copy from the board if you are able to see. So copy from the board. Ordinal numbers show the position or order of things. Again, ordinal number shows the position or order of things. Now once again repeat after me. I am repeating the definition of ordinal number. You write also and repeat also. Say ordinal numbers. Repeat. Ordinal numbers show the SHOW means show the position. POSITION position. POSITION position or order of things. Order of things. Okay, write this definition, copy this definition. Copy this definition, write in good handwriting and leave one finger distance after each word you are writing. Leave one finger distance so that it will look neatly. Don't write untidy in your copy and don't erase. first time only write correctly, है ना? Okay, correct, copy correctly, don't erase again and again. Okay, it will make your copy dirty. Okay, now we will draw next a table of cardinal number. Okay, so you have space just below this definition you have written, that means on which page you have written the heading, there is sufficient space in your copy, so you continue from the same page. Okay, don't take new page to draw the table. Okay, don't take new page to draw the table, you continue from the same page. Okay, now all of you have ruler, you know what is ruler? Scale. So take out your scale, we will draw one table in which we write the simple numbers, and how we write that numbers in the form of ordinal numbers, and then how the ordinal numbers are written in short form. In that way also we write it. Okay, so first of all of you take out your ruler, scale and pencil. Take out your scale and pencil. Okay, now draw. First draw one line on the top like this. Okay, like this I am drawing. Cover your whole copy and draw this line. Then draw this type of line. Okay, another line and draw one line here. Okay. Now divide this table into 3 parts. 1, 2 and last 3. Okay, 1, 2 and last 3. So what is our first column? Our first column is for numbers. Our first column is for numbers. Okay. Second column is for ordinal number, that means how to write a number in the form of ordinal number. Okay, so write here ordinal number, ordinal number. And our last column, that is third column, is how do you write ordinal number in short form. How do you write ordinal number in short form. Okay. No need to draw these lines. Okay, you have box in your copy, so you don't have to draw these lines. Okay. Now see, what is our first number? Our first number is 1. And how do we write 1 in ordinal form? First. First. What is the spelling of first? Repeat after me and write also. I hope all of you have drawn the table. I request parents to help the student, to help your child to draw the table. Okay. First. F-I-R-S-T. First. F-I-R-S-T. First. The number 1 in ordinal form we say first. And what is the short form of first? The short form of first is 1 and ST. First. First. This ST represent first. Okay. First. Right? 1. Then how do we write 1 in ordinal form? First, and short form is 1st. Now write 2. 2. Ordinal form of 2 is second, 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 and short form is 2 and D, second, 2 and D, second. Now next number is 3. Next number is 3. And what is the ordinal form? Third. Spelling of third, Third. Third. And its short form is 3RD. Third. See, what is the last two words in the first? ST. So here comes ST. What is the last two words? Last two letters in second ND. So 2 ND, that means second. Okay, the short form. I am explaining how we write the short form. The number is next is third, 3. So how do we write 3 in ordinal form? Third. So what is the spelling of third? Third. Third. And what is the short form of writing the third? 3RD. Third. Now the next. Okay, now next number is 4. Next number is 4. Okay. Now how do we write number 4 in the form of ordinal? Fourth. Fourth. Okay. Fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth. And its short form is 4-T-H. Fourth. Fourth. Next number is 5. 5. Ordinal number, fifth. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. And its short form is 5-T-H. Fifth. Next number is 6. 6. What is the ordinal number of 6? Sixth. S-I-X-T-H. Sixth. Sixth. And its short form is 6-T-H. Sixth. Sixth. Next ordinal number. Next number is 7. Ordinal number of 7 is 7th. S-E-V-E-N-T-H. 7. S-E-V-E-N-T-H. 7. And its short form is 7-T-H. 7th. 7th. Next number is 8. And its ordinal number is 8. E-I-G-H-T-H. 8. E-I-G-H-T-H. And its short form is 8-T-H. 8. Now next number. After 8, which number come? 9. 9. And ordinal number of 9 is 9. N-I-N-N-I-N-T-H. E नहीं आएगा, E will not come. N-I-N-E-T-H is wrong. Okay. What is the spelling of ordinal number 9th? N-I-N-T-H. 9th. And its short form is 9-T-H. 9th. Now last. What is the last number? 10. What is the last number? 10. The ordinal number of 10 is 10th. T-E-N-T-H. 10th. TENTH, 10th, and its short form is 10th, 10th, 10th. Okay, write all of you, complete it fast. This is a table of, this is a table of how we write numbers in a form of ordinal number, and next is how do we write ordinal number in short form. Okay, short form of ordinal numbers. This is table you have to prepare. Again I will explain you. First you copy it, first you complete your work, then again we will repeat the ordinal number. Okay, once again I am explaining. Okay, listen carefully. The first column is of numbers, that means simple numbers. We have to write from 1 to 10. The next column is of ordinal numbers, that means how do we write the number in a form of ordinal number, or how do we read a number in a form of ordinal number. And our third column is the short form of ordinal number, that means how do we write ordinal number in a short form. Okay, so see, this is 1, and in ordinal form how do we call 1 as first. In which class now you are, in which class? You are in class first. Now you are in class first. Okay, so first, and how do we write the first in a form, short form? First, 1 ST, this is known as first. Second, next number is 2, next number is 2, and the ordinal form of number 2 is second. After first, in which class you will go? After first, next year, in which class you will go? You will go to class second. You will go to class second. Okay, so the ordinal number of 2 is second, and its short form is 2 and D. 2 and D, second, and D means and, second. Okay, now next number is 3. Next number is 3, and how do we say 3 in a form of ordinal number? Third. Third. Okay, you stood third in race. You stood, you come third in race. Okay, third. So what is the short form of third? 3RD. Third. What is the short form of third? 3RD. Okay, now what is the next number? 4. And how do we write 4 in a form of ordinal number? Fourth. Fourth. Okay, repeat, fourth. And how do you write fourth in the short form? 4TH. Fourth. How do we read it as? Fourth. Fourth. Okay. After 4, 5. And ordinal number of 5 is fifth. 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 Okay. And how do we write it in a short form? 5TH. Fifth. When we say ordinal number fifth, लास्ट में क्या प्रोनाउंस हो रहा है? थ, फिफ्थ. Okay, so only the last two letters, last two alphabets that are coming in the spelling of fifth, fourth, sixth, that will come with the number, that will add with the number, and then we read it. Fifth. Okay, now next number after 5 is 6, and the ordinal number of sixth is sixth. Say sixth. Sixth. And how do we write sixth? 6TH is sixth. Okay. Next number is 7. 7. And its ordinal number is seventh. Seventh. and short form 7th, seventh. Okay, next number is 8. What is the next number? 8, and its ordinal form is 8th. Okay, 8th, and its short form is 8th. 8th. Okay, 8th. 8th. What is the next number? 9. Next number 9, and its ordinal form is 9th. Say 9th, and short form 9th. 9. Last number 10. What is the last number? 10, and its ordinal form is 10th. 10th. Say 10th, and its short form is 10th. 10th. Okay. Now I hope all of you have written this and understood also. Now there is one homework for you that is given on the same page number 27. I am writing the homework on the board. Just math homework. It is given on page 27. Okay. I will tell you what to do in that. See, one train is given. This train, are you able to see? Okay. And so many, what is this? These are the berth of train, alag alag berth. Okay, so what that is known as wagons. What is these known as? These are known as wagons. Okay, जो train के डब्बे होते हैं ना, जुड़े होते हैं ना, have you seen train? Okay, so that is known as wagons. Okay, and ordinal numbers are written on these wagons. Are you able to see? First, second, third, fourth, up to 10th. Up to 10th, wagons are drawn. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to color it. Okay, so which color you have to do? It is also written here. Okay, what you have to do? You have to color first, third and sixth wagon in blue. You have to color the first, third and sixth wagon in blue. You have to color second, fourth and eighth wagon in red, and fifth, seventh and ninth wagon in green. Okay, so according to color that is given here, you have to color the wagons of a train. Okay, so this is your homework. First, to make a beautiful picture of train in your maths notebook. Okay, and then you color all the wagons according to the given color. Okay, this is your maths homework. Okay, so we will, till today this much is sufficient. Now tomorrow, next topic, in next lecture we will continue with a new topic. Okay, bye beta.